day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to drop a piece of advice. If you know that you are not yet a subscriber on this my channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping a bombshell. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a series of videos that is really gonna make a lot of you traders profitable. Okay, and it has to do with top-down analysis. The last video I dropped hinted on top-down analysis, but I'm gonna be doing it like a series. I'll be taking it step by step. Top-down analysis is a system that you can adopt. If you don't have a strategy, you can adopt it, and it is very profitable. The good thing about top-down analysis is that it puts you in a position to make high risk to reward ratio, to get high risk to reward ratio. So it's more like, if you are a master of top-down analysis, you can risk very small of your capital and expect to make a lot. Why? Because you are using multiple time frames. You are using bigger time frames, then you scale down to lower time frames. But not everyone knows how to do that. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching. I'll be breaking it down. You'll be asking questions in the comment section, and I'll be answering. So do yourself a favor and do what? Subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I took a trade which I want to quickly analyze. I started off with the what's it called, with the weekly time frame. Let me go to the weekly and give you an idea of what is happening on the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting price to come down here. Okay, this is a POI, a point of interest. You can see I've already marked it out. I'm expecting price to come down here at some points, and once it does that, it's going to give us a buy opportunity. Okay, but it's gonna take some time for price to get there, so it's already marked out. Just leave it there. It's like a landmark. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. Step down to the daily time frame. What can we see on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, you can see a breaker block right here. So you can see the way I'm scaling down. This is a breaker block. Why is it a breaker block? Price broke through it. Okay, so that red candle, this red candle in here, becomes a breaker block because price broke through it to the downside. Okay, so as it is a breaker block, what we do with breaker blocks is that once price has broken through it, we expect price to tap back into it and give us a sell trade. That's if it's a bearish breaker block. If it's a bullish breaker block, once price breaks through it to the upside, we expect price to pull back to that breaker block and give us an opportunity to enter a buy trade. Okay, so this is a bearish breaker block. So I saw the way price moved up, and on this day, remember it's a daily time frame. On this day is actually yesterday. This one right here, this candle, it stands for what happened on June 12th, and that's yesterday. So studying the charts, I noticed the rejection. You can see that price got up to this level, okay, which tapped into the breaker block, and you can see selling activity taking place. Even though it's a bullish candle, it's simply a bullish candle because it wanted to reach into the breaker block, but from there selling activity started off, meaning we have an opportunity to actually sell the market. Okay, so as an advanced trader, if selling activity is taking place here, the next price objective would be to break this low. Okay, so price has gone in to tap into the breaker block. The next objective of price is to break this low. So you can see that's exactly where I placed my take profits, but I did not take my trade on the daily time frame, and you are not advised to do so because your stop loss is going to be very big. Okay, so what did I do? I scaled down from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame. It's step by step. It's multi-time frame analysis. So on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see happening? On the 4-hour time frame, I noticed that we had another point of interest. Okay, you can see right here. Let me use this blue candle to depict it. This is another breaker block playing out on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the breaker block right there. This is the breaker block. So it's playing out on the 4-hour time frame, and what happened? Price moved right into the breaker block and gave a sell opportunity. But remember, this sell opportunity has not happened as at the time I took the trade. Okay, but price has already tapped into it, but has not really moved down aggressively. Okay, so after looking at what's really playing out on the 4-hour time frame, which is aligning with our overall goal. Our overall goal is to enter a sell trade. So as you're scaling down, with the mindset of looking for opportunities to sell. Okay, so let's scale down to H1 and see what's going on H1 time frame. On H1 time frame, you can see a double top formed, and a double top for elementary traders, everybody knows that it's a chart pattern that depicts a reversal to the downside. So that's a double top happening within within that breaker block on the H4 time frame. All right, which is a further proof that price really wants to go down. I actually entered my trade on the 15 minutes, so let me just scale down to 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can also see bearish momentum. This is the same double top which we saw on H1, still the same right here. Okay, so I entered my trade on the 15 minutes time frame. So let me show you what I saw on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see right here another order block formed. Okay, let me see, where is it? Another block formed right here. This is it. Let me use a black let me change the color to black so that it's gonna be different from the other one. Okay, so what do we have here? This is another block right here which was tapped into, still in the same mindset of taking a sell trade. So this is another block. Hope you can see that blue candle before the red candle that broke structure. These red candles broke structure, right? So there is a blue candle just before that red candle. Look at it here. So I simply waited for price to tap into that other block, which it did right here. Price tapped into the other block and then went down to break structure. As it's crossing this structure, I'm entering my sell trade. Okay, so you can see, cross that structure, I entered my sell trade. Now that's how I entered the trade, and I placed my stop loss above that swing. You can see my SL right here, which is above this swing. As simple as that. So the idea was coming from what? From a higher time frame. Okay, so I scale down up to the 15 minutes time frame where I executed my trade, and it's going beautifully well. Okay, but don't forget, my target is on the daily time frame. So what that implies is that my target is going to bring me a big profit compared to you entering on 15 minutes time frame. Target is on 15 minutes, everything. No, my target is going to bring me big profit because on the daily time frame. Let me show you. So this is daily time frame. Look at my targets right here. This low formed on the daily time frame is my target, right? Whereas my stop loss was placed on the 15 minutes time frame, so it's gonna be smaller. Let me show you the profits the trade is running on right now. This is about 316 or thereabouts. Okay, so if you would like to learn this system, because I'll be dropping more videos on this, if you would like to learn this system, please subscribe. If you got any value, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.